which was with regard to the golden insect. And on the basis of the allegation that accused number 3 had a golden insect in his upper jaw. Now, he says to me, in as much as you earlier on spoke of a challenge of what could be possibly done, he says he's inviting you, and that is what he says, to take him to the medical doctor at any point. You can take him now, you can take him in the evening, you can even take him tomorrow to I don't know if it's a dentist or what, but a doctor that is qualified to look into his jaw, or to his upper jaw, where it is alleged that he had a golden insect, just to go and verify, so that we have a medical evidence before court to demonstrate whether or not he had any golden insect in his upper jaw.
After how many years?
My lord?
After how many years?
I don't know, but
you take instructions.
Yes.
Because you are talking about the time. Now,
yes.
As I listen to the evidence,
yes.
This case mainly it's about what actually happened allegedly.
Yes, in 2014.
In 2014. Now we are 25.
2025.
Yeah, bro.
It's 11 years.
Yes.
Actually, it's exactly 10 years and 4 months.
So the challenge is for him to call a doctor to come and verify what?
These allegations.
Of what?
The fact that some of the witnesses who were in the house are saying that the gun toter was a person, as they described him, who had a golden insect in his upper jaw. And Zungu is saying in his statement that accused number 3, on the day on which he met him, allegedly at the hostel, accused number 3 had a golden insect on his upper jaw. Mr. Kininda, Advocate Brigadier Kininda, when he was requested to go through these photos, he specifically mentioned in photo number 16, photo number 15, and identify the face of the person that appears in photo number 15 as belonging to accused number 3. He said, this to me resembles accused number 3 because amongst others he has a golden insect in his upper jaw, as it was explained or as it was said by some of the witnesses in their statement. Now accused number 3 says no, that is all a mistake. If needs be, let medical expertise come and tell this court that I had such a golden insect in my upper jaw, or I never had it.
You know what, I want to be fair to everybody here.
Yes, ma'am.
People are changing their evidence. For instance, and I'm not making a finding about anything.
Yes.
It was never put to Gininda that photo 15, is it?
Yes.
Belongs to your elder brother. It belongs to number 3's elder brother. You remember?
Yes.
It was never put. Let's leave it at that.
Yes.
That was never put.
But now it's happening.
Now it is being put.
Yes.
Fine. You heard me.
But when the court says it was never been put, man, I'm putting it now under cross-examination. It's not
but
like...
the initial evidence was led when? When Mrs. Stein was here?
In
last
August.
Last year, August.
In August.
Fine. You can put it again, no problem. I'm just saying, I listen.
Yes.
For vengeance.
But the challenge that I have, my lord, is that the court says that was never put.
Yeah, it was never put. That so-called insect was being worn or belongs to accused number 3's elder brother. You said what is the name? Did you hear that name?
To us, it's been put for the first
time.
Fine,
okay.
And we also just want to mention, my lord, and this is an objection, that the fact that Zungu testified that accused 3 had a golden insect on upper jaw, it's something that needs to be verified from the record. It doesn't accord with our recollection.
Yeah, okay, you can go on. Say.
I am saying the statement on which the state relies in order to call Mr. Zungu says that accused number 3 on the date on which they allegedly met at the hostel, Mr. Zungu, accused number 3 had a golden insect. But my lord, again, I don't understand when the court said it was never put, because it is happening now. And this witness is still under
It means
cross-examination.
it's in the past. It was never put. I'm not saying it is not put. It was never put. You heard me and you understand me.
No, I don't
If you don't
understand.
find, let's leave it
The court cannot force me to say that.
No.
As it is the court,
Yeah, fine.
let me approach accused number 3.
Hello members of the Court of Public Opinion, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for tuning in. I am your host, Mrs. Independent, aka I am not a lawyer, but I cannot ignore the judge descending into the arena and becoming a mouthpiece for a witness. That is highly irregular and it is not acceptable. Why the song and the dance when accused 3 is challenging Brigadier Gininda about the golden insert that he is alleged to have had by the people who were in the house and the other witnesses that deposed statements. So they said this person who entered the house first with dreadlocks had a golden insert. So why not proving that beyond reasonable doubt that this is the real person, this is the person that entered the house as it was said by the witnesses. And another thing is when the judge goes on and say how many years ago, and advocate is giving him exact time frame, and it's sad because you remember the bullet that allegedly said it has taken SENZO Meyiwa's life. It was only tested 6 years later. 6 years later it was tested, for this case. But now the person who's said to have been the one who pulled the trigger and ejected that bullet, saying, Nami challenge, bring a medical person, orthodontist or dentist to come and check. And the judge is like, everyone is changing their statement now. I'm not making a finding, but people are now changing their statement. Judge, be fair and actually be neutral. Judge said now he will do his job without fear or favor or prejudice when he was telling Advocate Mgomezulu, when Advocate Mgomezulu was saying anything that was brought after they had the pre-trial, it's an ambush. Any information coming after that is an ambush. And then he said, I don't even know Advocate Baloy from a bar of soap. And if you try to, lay a complaint against me, just do it and let's see how far you can go, So it was all this. And now show us that you are fair to both sides. That's all we're asking for. So members of the Court of Public Opinion, thank you so much for your support. Remember, if you haven't subscribed or you come across this channel for the very first time, please subscribe. We have a challenge to reach 3,000 by the end of January. So let's keep the challenge, and remember to like and share the video. Until the next time, let's gather. Bye.